Yes.
May please your lordship, my lord, item number 16, my lord, this original who is leading the case, Mr. J.S. Sarkar. Now, my lord, he is back, my lord, he died. My lord, my name was shown, but already he is leading.
But have you informed the party?
Yes, my lord, the time may be granted. I inform the party. Next time I will appear, my lord.
Mr. J. Hussain, counsel appearing. Petitioner submitted. The leading counsel in this case, Mr. J.S. Sarkar,
My lord.
and in the meanwhile have expired.
Fine.
And as such, it's still some time to obtain necessary instructions to which the counsel for the Mr. Hussain, we are fixing it on 3rd of May.
My lord, don't fast week.
No. What is the 2007?
My lord, May last week.
No. And
I will send a letter.
Sarkar expired long back,
My lord.
not a recent in. At best,
Second week, my lord.
7th of May.
Second week, my lord.
7th of May.
7th of May.
Sorry, election is there. I always
My lord,
9th of
7th of May election, my lord.
9th of May.
9, my
Nine.
lord. My lord, 9 is
Will not
very.
come back for after voting.
My lord, I am. Second week, my lord, 13. 13, 14.
Okay, on 13th.
My lord.
May I read your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 1, lordship. Kindly the matter may be taken up after 2 weeks or after
Why?
2 vacation. Lordship, due to personal difficulties, my senior.
You can do it in absence of your senior. We'll see. Item number 1.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 17 and 18, Lordship. Conducting counsel, Mr. A.W. Oman is out of station, Lordship. Conducting counsel, Mr. A.W. Oman is out of station. May be taken after BU vacation, Lordship. Any date after BU vacation.
Let us see.
Lordship, deep level.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Lordship. Lordship, may I adjourn the matter for today, Lordship.
Why?
Senior is absent. Can you leave,
Doesn't
Lordship?
matter, you take it. Senior is absent, that is the benefit for you. At least
It's
you
on
will
leave,
have a
Lordship.
chance to argue. Otherwise, the senior will not allow you to stay here. If any adverse order is passed, we will consider in your presence, not in your presence, in presence. of the
Lordship,
senior.
may I give it.
Why? Hello. Yes. Senior is sending you only for taking time, not to argue a case. Right? Wait for your turn. Let the matter reach. Yes.
You mentioned item 23, Lordship.
What for?
Mr. We have some inconvenience, Lordship. May fix it after application, Lordship.
Let the matter reach.
Problem, Lordship.
Eight, nine. We'll take up those matters where there is no LCS at this moment.
May please, Your Lordship. Hello. This is the second round of litigation before this honorable court. My lord, tribunal, my lord, first time declared foreigners by impugn order at page 114. And there is a writ petition, and the writ petition was disposed of. The direction to examine the headmaster again with school records, my lord. Earlier, headmaster was examined without school records. The matter was remanded back to examine the headmaster again with the school records. That was the order, and the petition was directed to appear on 19/6/2023. She failed to appear because of her serious ailment, my lord. For a long period, uh, there was the disease detected to be ileocecal valve ulcer. There was initially she felt abdomen pain and swelling of leg. Then, my lord, the doctor has also detected to be suffering from tuberculosis. She could get substantial relief in the year, my lord, in the month of November 2023. Then she appeared and filed a petition, but her petition was returned, saying that matter is already closed. My lord, I have annexed the all medical documents. Then, my lord, her petition placed before the tribunal but returned, that is annexer 39, page 137. And the order whereby the matter is closed, lordship will find at page 142.
Place this matter along with the records of WPC number
Earlier petition was 5079 2019.
079 2000. Place it. 18th of 18th April. On reopening day. Along with the records of WPC number 5079 2019.
My lord, may I pray for my lord in the next year, my lord?
Why?
On 18, I may be, my lord.
On 19th. 19th. But 28th is a working day.
My lord,
That Saturday is a working day.
my lord. Then Saturday may also be fixed, my
We'll
lord.
have it on 19th.
My lord.
Notice the word.
All for this. EFD. Number one. asking for. Put the phone. You know, again, nine, 9 to
Item number 9, my lord. My lord, here in this case, my lord, my short prayer before your lordship, if at this stage, my lord, SP is directed to dispose of my representation, looking into the matter, my lord, that will purpose will be solved. My lord. Let him look into the matter, my lord. As I have filed representation, it is the duty of the highest officer of the district to look into the matter, what is going on. So representation may be disposed of by the SP, my lord.
Why you have filed a representation?
My lord, the OC, without any case registering against me, searched my house and wanted my presence in the police station. I searched, my lord, I have found that there is no case. So, my lord, against that harassment, I filed representation before the superintendent of police. So, my lord, let the superintendent of police look into the matter, my lord, and come to a finding that actually what is what.
Have you lost the case against the police or not?
My lord,
You have a.
I have
that
not.
case,
I have not,
You have a police commission for that.
my lord.
If you are objecting to anything,
My
the,
lord,
what is the decision of the Honorable Apex Court,
my lord,
police commission has been established, approach that particular commission. Why before this court in written?
my lord. No, my
It
lord,
has been searched, your house with the search warrant. We have nothing to do.
no, there is no search warrant, my lord.
Then you have. if you
There
are-
is
you
no
are
case.
agreeing that
There
this
is no case against me,
If you are agreeing with this
my lord,
action of the police personnel searching
My
your
lord.
house,
my lord.
you file an FIR and then also you file application before the police commission.
That is also one of the.
My lord, under 226 also, I can get relief, my lord, because
What is the judgment of the apex court in this case? If the high court exercising the jurisdiction has to supervise everything, in that circumstances, a bench constituted of 3 honorable judges has passed a judgment that you have to file appropriate complaint case. Now that is considering those aspects, the police commission has been established. An honorable
my
judge
lord,
from this high court is.
SP as a higher officer can also look
That is
into
the
the
reason
matter.
Also, you can approach the police commission saying that
My lord.
even in spite of.
I can, my lord, I can, my lord, but
We
as
are-
a
this case will not
district
exercise. You
higher
have-
authority, my lord.
When you have alternate provisions, particularly as per the judgment of the honorable apex court, we are not interpreting at this stage. It's up to you.
My lord.
We can list it after 2 months. That's different issue. If you have alternate options to approach, if those things have not been considered, then definitely it court will interfere. Otherwise not.
My lord, with that observation,
We are not
my
passing any observation. Why should we pass any observation?
lord, in that case, my lord, my representation is there, that
We
may
are
be
not
disposed
passing
of.
any order. You
No, no.
have alternate provisions. You go to the police commission, go to other authorities. Not at least.
Hmm?
You have, that is the reason. That is why the apex could pass that order. Not only one order. Many cases are reported. You know. Otherwise, everybody will come to the report. Considering those aspects, the apex court has passed the judgment. Only after the judgment of the apex court, commission has been established. Any violation by police personnel, whatever the rank may be, whatever may be the rank.
Then I may be allowed to withdraw with liberty, my lord.
Oh, definitely you have.
Liberty may be given.
Not Mr. MSA counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. P. Sharma, petitioner senior commissioner Assam.
1, 2, 3. man.
Yes,
1, 2, 3.
For all the respondents. 1 to 4. Petitioner is agreed as police personnel from Nagarpura Police Station. Searched his house at village number 1, Komari. And is harassing him without registering any effort. So, to his knowledge, he is not involved in any criminal activity. As such, he filed a representation before the Superintendent of Police, Kamrup Town on 0.03. According to the and after some deliberation, the petition raised for withdrawal of this was delivered by liberty to approach the appropriate forum for redressal of the grievance. Rohit Miller responsible for the response. This represents withdrawal of liberty granted to the petitioner. To approach the appropriate forum for redressal of the grievance is included.
Last of my lord, connected to.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I have talked with my lord. There is no written communication, but the government there is no provision for my lord extension of time by the government. That has been given to me, but I have not received any communication yet. Because law has provided a specific time, the government cannot extend more than that. Up to if the Honorable Court preferred it, then it is a different.
This is an issue.
Yes.
So as the provisions in the
Lordship may kindly see the citizenship rules 2009, madam.
yes, please.
Citizenship rule 2009, madam, page rule 19, madam. May I read the provision, madam?
Please.
Rule 19, madam. Provisions as to citizenship of India for persons covered under Assam Agreement.
Yes, provision to as to citizenship. of India.
Yes. Rule 19, registering authority for the purpose of subsection T. This is my lord 3(1). This central government may, for the purpose of subsection 2, section 6A, appoint an officer not below the rank of additional district magistrate as registering authority for every district of the state of Assam. That is the first one. Number 2, then an application for registration under subsection 2(3) of section 6A shall be made in form number so and so by the person.
Form number 18.
Yes, form number 18 by the person to the registering authority for district in which such person is ordinarily a resident within a period of 30 days from the date of receipt of the order of foreigners tribunal declaring such person as foreigner, provided that the registering authority may, for reasons to be recorded in writing, extend the said period to such further period as may be justified in each case, but not exceeding 60 days. This is the provision, my lord. Then, my lord, 2A. This is inserted in 2013, my lord.
That's right.
Yes. 2A. A person who has been declared as foreigner by the Foreigners Tribunal prior to 16th July 2013. This is specific, my lord. Who has been declared foreigner prior to 16th July 2013 and has not been registered under subsection 3 of section 6A for the reasons non-receipt of the order of the Foreigners Tribunal or refusal by the registering authority to register such person as a foreigner on account of delay may, within a period of 30 days from the date of receipt of the order passed by the Foreigners Tribunal or from the date of publication of the notification, make an application for registration in Form 18 to the registering authority of the district with which the such person is ordinarily resident, provided that the registering authority may, for reasons to be recorded in writing, extend the said period to such further period as may be justified in each case, but not exceeding 180 days. That this is for the purpose, my lord, who has been declared foreigner in between 66-71 prior to 16th of July 2015. Because there was a notification on that day, and this, on the basis of that notification, my lord, this was amended. This provision was brought. Now the registering authority, this is the only provision for extending of time, my lord. So those who has been declared foreigner prior to 2013, there was a specific, this 2A was inserted for them, and they were granted time for 30 days, 60 days, and for
So it
the
is like this. This 2009 rule, citizenship rules
yes, ma'am.
have been framed under the
Citizenship
provision of
Act.
Section 18 of the 2009 Citizenship Act.
Yes,
19, right? So it has the statutory power.
yes, ma'am.
As per these provisions of Rule 19, the registering authority shall accept the registration and for that purpose, within 30 days
from the
from
date of
such declaration made by the foreigner.
yes, ma'am.
But he has the power, if good reasons are shown, to extend into
60 days,
maximum of
another 60
60.
days. Yes,
that is
that is for all purpose,
for all purposes.
all purpose.
The second amendment that came
Yes, ma'am.
in 2013
Yes, ma'am.
is that from the date of amendment,
Yes, ma'am.
that is 16th of July 2013,
13.
those foreigners who have been declared to be foreigner prior to 16/7/2013.
13.
That
This
means
is only for 60, those person who has been declared prior to
be
that,
foreigner prior to
16 July
16/7/2013.
2013.
A maximum period of
180 days can be extended.
30 days.
30 days, madam.
Within the, after the publication of that amendment,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
then it has been given that 30 days you will get.
Yes,
But the registering authority can extend it up to 180
80 days for special purpose.
for the special.
Yes.
So these are the only two provisions.
Provisions.
For extending the time
Time for registry.
with the
Yes, ma'am.
concerned registering.
Yes, ma'am.
authority. Now, these rules, particularly these provisions, being framed under an act having statutory force, whether the read court can extend the time.
My submission is no, ma'am, because we cannot go beyond the law. Law has provided a special time, ma'am. We cannot go beyond it. That is my submission.
There is a judgment of the apex court. Very interesting to know. Should all should go through. Immediately, I will not able to keep the section. This is the matter regarding the Land Acquisition Act 1894 as acted. There are certain provisions of submitting reference under section 12 or 18. So the reference can be filed. And the act itself have provided time limit. So earlier, in exercise of the powers under Article 226, some of the courts used to extend that power because the deputy commissioner being the authority to accept those reference and to forward it to the court of district judge, the referral. So he cannot, the authority, deputy commissioner or the district commissioner, the commissioner cannot extend it. So they used to approach the high court. And the high court is to extend.
Yes.
In that purpose, the Honorable Supreme Court, considering those provisions in the Act, clarified that there is no such provisions in the Act for extending the power under the limit. The Act itself is complete. So, if somebody fails to submit their application seeking reference under the Land Acquisition Act 1894 as amended, then the High Court, in exercise of the power under 226, cannot extend that time. Cannot. Because there is no specific provision for application of limitation. Court has, the Act itself has given the time. It has three judges. You should go through because there they have discussed in which circumstances that power of extending the time can be. If there is no such power, no such power. Right? Go through that. Walk little hard. We'll take it up next.
Next Tuesday.
Whether the read court can have, furthermore, in exercising of the power under Article Certiorari, can we extend this time? In fact, probably you might get a judgment rendered by myself while sitting in Mizoram. It's a reported judgment. Probably you might get that support of that judgment. The honorable effect. But there is a judgment of the honorable effect. Very clear in which circumstances the read court can act. Normally you will file an application and the court will extend the time. It's not like that.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
We'll have it on Tuesday.
Maybe list it after review vacation.
Why?
Yes,
You have 2 days. Go. Bihu holidays, enjoy Bihu, enjoy Eid. Why? Otherwise, we could have finished it considering that judgment. We are not doing it. Go through it. Mr. Pine,
Yes, madam.
Mr. Sharma, both Mr. Sharma. You go through those judgments, you will realize why the apex court has said so.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, the last provision, the one is like a time to for instruction, my lord. Then the one.
24. Twenty-four. 24.
Mr. Sharma, ask either Mr. B. Gogoi or D. Ugomaino, Standing Council Hill.
Yes, lord.
Okay. Their names have not been shown,
Yes.
so they may not be aware of this.
Ready to know.
May I please your lordship? Lordships, this is an interlocutory application for condonation of delay of 190 days in preferring the writ appeal against the judgment and order dated 16/6/23 passed in WPC number 1211 of 23. My lords, in similar cases, the writ appeals have already been, the delay has already been condoned and writ appeals have been accordingly admitted. These are the similar orders.
Why this delay? Of 6 months, 10 days? Why?
My
What is
lord
your
may come
explanation?
to, my lord may come to page number 6, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, by the common judgment and order dated 31/23, the state respondents had preferred appeals. And accordingly, those appeals were admitted also, my lord. This now paragraph number 6, my lord, that pursuant to the order dated 2/8/23 passed in IA Civil 1126 of 23, the appeal preferred by the applicants against the common judgment dated 31/23 has been numbered as WA number 287/23. Thereafter, the WA number 287/23 came up before the Honorable Court for admission, and the Honorable Court, on and after hearing the parties by order dated 11/1/24, was pleased to admit the appeal. The applicants state that that subsequently, as per the suggestion of the highest law officer of the state, they had filed appeal against the common judgment dated 31/23 in respect of all the writ petitions due to procedural reasons. That in view of the writ appeals filed by the applicants challenging the judgment dated 31/23 passed in WPC number 1646 of 21 and other connected cases as stated above, subsequently the applicants were also suggested to prefer an appeal against the judgment dated 16/6/23, which is the issuing the judgment, impugned judgment in the instant case, my lord. And accordingly, in the last part of November 23, the applicants have taken up the matters with the learned government advocate, Assam, and thereafter the connected writ appeal has been filed on 23/1/24. However, in the aforesaid process, delay of 190 days has occurred in preferring the writ appeal.
So the first judgment was of
31/2023.
of January 2023.
Yes, my lord.
In that matter, 19 cases or 16 cases have been disposed of.
Yes, my lord.
Right?
Yes, my lord.
Against that, you have preferred an appeal.
Appeal, yes. Sir.
This is another writ petition
Another writ petition relying on the judgment
of
of
31st of January.
31st, 2023, and
That
we are
was
therefore
disposed of.
preferring appeal against this judgment also. Okay. One, two.
Can you tell us what is the order of the appeal? What are the orders passed in appeal?
My lord, may peruse a copy has already been provided to my lord.
That's in IA.
In the next page, my lord, WA 50 of 2024, referred by the state against Mithun Roy, petitioner. Similar appeal, my lord. And those appeals have been admitted also. Heard Mr. Dina, learned senior government advocate, Assam, appearing for the appellants, admit the appellant to take steps for service of notice on the respondents by registered post with AD within a week from today.
Was there any stay?
My
Was
lord?
there any stay of the order? of
Yes,
the
yes,
appeal?
my lord. It was the suspended, my lord. This no, my lord.
By which order?
3787.
By which order it has been?
Lordship, I'm providing. This is the order 11/1/24 passed in IA number 3787 of 26.
Common judgment was passed where? In which writ petition?
3245 of 2019 and other, there were 19 writ petitions altogether, Lordship.
What happened after 11th of January 2024?
Those appeals are still pending, Lordship.
Pending, my lord.
Whether the stay order has been vacated or still in force?
No,
that
it's
is
still in force, my lord.
Where is the office memorandum? The connected data.
OM dated 1/6/2015,
1/6/2015.
Lordship.
Which page?
My lord, page number 67.
The particular clause number 1 that was
One
struck
has
down.
been struck down.
This application has been filed by the state. Condone a delay of 109 days in preparing an appeal against an order dated 16/06/2023 passed by London Single Judge in WPC number 111 of 2003, by which the petitioner therein one WPC Hamidul Hussain versus date of birth in Becky Corporation. Sorry, Corporation. And five. Whereby the court considering a common judgment in order dated 01/06.
This is, my lord,
Judgment
not,
in order dated 30/01/2023. Passed in WPC number 1646 of the 2021. Other connected cases. Allowed the statement. Setting aside the minutes of the state level committee for completion and appointment dated 22/01/2022, whereby the case of the said petitioner was rejected for his completion and appointment, as the father of the petitioner who died in harness had less than 3 years experience. Was not entitled for completion and appointment pursuant clause 1 the office memorandum number
16/2015.
Page 67, my lord. ABP 50/2006.
ABP 50/2006 PT, P capital. 182. 0106. 2015 of the state government interpersonal in the PT part relating to appointment on compassionate ground of the dependents of the government employees who died in army or retired prematurely on being declared permanently incapacitated for service and who is missing and whose whereabouts is not known for the last 7 years. By the said order dated 16/06/2023. Following a common judgment in order dated 30/1/2023. Learned single judge remanded the matter back to state level for to take a press decision before clause 1 of the said office memorandum dated 0106. By placing an order the division bench of this court, while disposing of said petition to the such and such by order dated 16/06/2023, the court also observed that appeal against the state common judgment and order dated 30/01/2023 is pending or was pending, but there was no interim stay granted by the division bench. It has been placed before the court by Ms. P. Sharma, right?
U Sharma, my lord.
And a government advocate preparing for the applicant. That division bench of this court by an order dated 11/01/2024 passed in IA within bracket civil bracket code number 3737 of 2023 state the said judgment and order dated 30/01/2023 passed in WPC number 3245 of 2021. Another correct. What was also a part of WPC number 1646 of the the applicant state could show sufficient reason for condoning the delay of 109 days,
190 days.
190 days, preparing a connected appeal preferred against judgment in order.
16, 16/6/2020.
Doing this.
Obliged.
Cost. Cost of 5,000. The District Legal Service Authority.
My lord, some less, my lord, but it is
No,
the
the
poorest of the poor, my
Not
lord.
better. That's why see, basically, what we,
Some less.
there should not be a mockery of jurisdiction. The court particularly. You see what happened. The court could consider it a matter of foreigner issue. And all things court has considered. Observing further that till such reason order is passed, no coercive action to be taken against him. Right? By an order of 1st of March 2023,
23.
this case was remanded back, directing the proceeding to appear before the tribunal on 5th of April 2023.
23.
A certified copy was obtained very next day on 2nd of March 2020.
23.
Now, you have filed an application, the petitioner has filed an application only on
Medical ground.
23rd of February 2020 for extending the time to appear before the tribunal, annexing a medical certificate issued by one superintendent of Borpeta Civil Hospital, College District,
Yes.
whereby the said doctor clearly mentioned that the petitioner was under his treatment from 6th of May 2023
Three.
to 31st of 12, 2023.
Mhm.
Direction of the court was 1st of March, directing the petitioner to appear by 5th of April,
April.
and the petitioner had back pain from 6th of May.
May.
So it is not 6th of April. Direction was to appear by 5th of April,
5th April, 1 month.
and she went to doctor on 6th of May. The doctor, superintendent of civil hospital, Kolkata, said he was under my treatment with back pain from 6th of May. 31st of December. Possibly a person may say, become a silly. We all know toothache, backache.
When my
headache,
lord, on the
everything
date,
we know.
on the date,
Thing is this, direction was to the petitioner to appear by 5th of April. This medical certificate is for the period of 6th of
on
That
the
is
day,
the, you have to pay.
my lord, on that day, my lord, he was, he was ill, my lord, before 6th of May, my lord.
Your medical certificate.
A
says
medical certificate, that is true, my lord. But
you
he
do
will,
not know anything. Might have
because
that.
of that, he, on the day, my
If the
lord, he,
proceeding had the backache from 5th of April, whether the proceeding file any application before the tribunal saying that I'm suffering
yes,
from backache.
that's true, my
Filing
lord.
that
That's true, my lord.
That cannot be a mockery of judiciary like this. It's not a market that you'll buy a fish. Either you dismiss or you pay cost.
I am ready to pay the cost.
Only when you pay cost, we will consider.
Lord, I am ready to pay the cost, my lord, for the little, my lord. That is my humble prayer.
Have to pay cost. Whatever cases, the little amount will go through legal service. This has become mockery of the district. It cannot be, we cannot allow that. After all, you have been declared as a foreigner. You have the protection in both ways.
I leave it to Lord.
Medical. Yes, Mr. Sharma or Pai. And Mr. Upamanyu,
Yes, Lord.
whether it's superintendent of a civil hospital without a assessing admitted, either in the OPD or in a can give certificate like whether your rules, medical service allows so.
Lordship. Outdoor patient lordship.
Mr. Hassan,
My lord.
the property, let us say that the property was sick. Up to 31st of December. Why she has filed it at not 21st of December? Or 23rd? She could have done it immediately in January.
My lord, just my lord, I have mentioned, my lord, paragraph, my lord, 4, my lord. He is the poorest of the poor. He did not collect the litigation cost, my lord.
What?
Paragraph 4, my lord. You have mentioned, my lord.
Did you approach the legal aid counsel? Who asked you to pay?
After recovery from illness, my lord, due to her financial hardship, my lord,
Could I approve? Did you approve?
no, my lord, I thought that
Okay, sister will back you. I'll leave it to sister, whatever she says.
Obliged, Lordship.
placed.
Woman, no,
May it please. There's a delay in filing the writ appeal, my lord. 217 days.
let's not. Sister, equal, 20.
Delay of 217 days, my lord.
For what? What's the reason?
In filing the writ appeal, my lord. The writ petition was filed for appointment on compassionate ground, my lord, and that was allowed on the basis of the judgment and order dated, my lord.
Same order.
Same order. Same order, my lord. Judgment and order dated
Common order.
common order. 31/1 to 2023. Whereby, my lord, the clause 1 has been struck down. Similar writ appeal has already been admitted, my lord. WN number 80 of 2024. Filed by the personal department.
Where is the order of the learned single judge?
It is page, my lord, 66, my lord.
Same order. Same order.
Delay of 270 days, my lord. Obliged, lordship.
Will rise. They will have some programs in the second half.
There is one writ appeal listed before your lordship because the Honorable Chief Justice recused himself from taking up the matter. Item 21. Now, there is some urgency, my lord, if your lordship kindly. This has come before your lordship because the Honorable Chief Justice has recused it on day before yesterday.
21, 22 vote. Rest will not be taken.
This appeal has been preferred against an order passed by the Honorable Single Judge. There was a notice issued by the respondent Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. The notice was for selection of dealer for setting petrol pumps. The notice was issued on 28th of June 2023, and the
applications
So
were
we'll take it up on Monday. Monday?
Monday, my lord, I have some difficulty. Tuesday, on Tuesday, 9th.
Yes.
Plus 9th. No.
Actually, I am for a caveat, my lord, in this case. So that caveats maybe appeal has been filed by FCI, in fact. Because the learned single judge, my lord. Here, my lord, the problem is,
No, Mr.
No, I
no,
understand.
Mr. Singh here.
I understand. Here, my lord, how, I am in the caveat otherwise,
You understand?
they are to move, but I have some problem. Why, my lord, I am telling you, lordship. Learned single judge directed FCI, declared their action illegal, asked them to refund the money, which will be around more than 2 crores. I filed a caveat 3 months ago. They filed a, perhaps it was kept defective. The order could not be implemented. Yes,
So
yes,
may
come,
I-
my lord.
Mr. Singh. Take it up on Monday.
Monday. Hello, can it be on Wednesday, my lord? If it is not,
The last working day before we
there is one fixed matter in outlying bench, my lord, in Arunachal, Itanagar bench.
9th.
9th also, 8 and 9.
My lord, this writ appeal was filed by
All right.
them in December last. And I am, my lord, in between, sandwiched. Because I am not getting the payment.
Okay, we'll have it on 10.
Highly obliged, man.
Thank you. Last-
Will be available, Mr. Barbara, on 10.
I will be,
Today we are a little handicapped.
I will be, since your lordship is available, I will have to be available.
Will be available. We'll have it.
Lordship.
Obliged.